In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link with others. Whether you're a professional looking to share work with clients or just want to easily send images to friends and family, mastering this process will make your life significantly easier. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Google Drive. Open up your web browser and ensure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, the next step is to head over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a big colourful button labelled New. Go ahead and give that a click. This is essentially your gateway to uploading new content, not just for photos but for a plethora of other file types as well. Now once you've clicked New, you'll get a drop down menu populated with several options. Here you'll want to select File Upload. A small window will appear allowing you to browse through the folders on your computer. Navigate to the location where your desired photo is stored. Once you've located the file, simply click on it to select it and then hit the Open button. Your photo will now start to upload. You can monitor the progress at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's pretty efficient and shouldn't take long depending on the file's size and your internet speed. Once your upload is complete, you'll want to share this file with others. To do this, go back to your Google Drive homepage if you're not already there, and locate the recently uploaded photo. You can do this easily by looking in the My Drive section. Once you've found your photo, click on it to highlight it. This action will enable a series of icons along the top right corner of your Google Drive interface. Look for the icon that resembles a person with a plus sign, which is the share icon, and click on it. A new window will pop up showing sharing options. Initially, the file is set to restricted, meaning only people you explicitly invite can access it. To make this more universally accessible, click on Restricted. You'll see an option to change this setting. Select anyone with the link. This adjustment allows anyone who has the link to view your photo, making it easy to share without constantly having to update permissions. Now we're almost done. Back in your sharing window, there should now be a copy link option. Click on Copy Link to do exactly that. Boom! You've now got the link ready to be pasted anywhere you need it, whether it's in an email, a chat app, or even a social media post. Just paste, send, and you're done. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a photo to Google Drive and made it shareable via a simple link. Keep this process in mind for future uploads and enjoy the seamless sharing experience Google Drive offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.